Hi, welcome to another SMC's how-to video. Here we'll show you how easy it is to set up the PF3W series flow switch to operate an output once a measured flow volume has accumulated. Similar to a meter. Before continuing, please note that only external input type of PF3W allow reset of the accumulated flow value. Let's start. To set switch output 1 to accumulated rather than instantaneous flow, first press and hold the set button for more than 2 seconds so that F1 is displayed. Here we see output 1 is currently set for hysteresis mode. Press the set button again to allow a change of function. Press the up or down button to select accumulated output. Press the set button again to accept. Now we can change the type if output 1 is on either below or above the threshold. Here we'll leave the setting as 1_P, meaning the output is on when the accumulated flow is measured above the set point. Press the set button to accept. Now we can set the PF3W to increase or decrease the accumulated flow rate as fluid passes through the device by pressing the up or down buttons. Again, we'll press the select button to accept the default add increase setting. Now we enter the measured volume that we wish output 1 to activate at, the threshold. The first screen allows us to confirm the first 3 digits of this value. We can modify each digit using the up or down buttons and move to the next by pressing the set key. In this example, we want a small, accumulated volume, so these first 3 digits should be entered as 000. To accept the values for the first 3 digits, hold the set button for more than 1 second so that the digit stops flashing and press the set button again to move on. The next screen allows us to confirm the last 6 digits of the threshold value. We can modify each digit using the same method. In this example, we'll set an accumulated volume of 3.5 liters per minute, so we change the last 2 digits only. Again, to accept the entry, hold the set button for more than 1 second so that the digit stops flashing and press the set button again to move on. If required, we can change the color of the display screen. In this example, we're leaving the setting to provide a green display screen when output 1 is on. Press the set button to accept. Once we're happy with all our setting values for output 1, press and hold the set button for more than 2 seconds to return to the main screen and measurement mode. So now with the output 1 settings we've just configured, when the PF3W measures as accumulated 3.5 liters, output 1 goes on and the display turns green. The accumulated value will continue to increase with flow. To reset the accumulated value, switch on the external input for 30 milliseconds or more. Alternatively, while the value is displayed, hold the up and down buttons simultaneously for 1 second or more. So, you've seen how easy it is to configure an accumulated switch output for the PF3W series. You can see more SMC's how-to videos to configure some of the most common switch functions.